Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. A while ago I did a first impression about the L'Oreal Color Riche Intense Volume Matte lipstick, and now it's time to do the full review, including a wear test. So let's get started. So let's get started with this L'Oreal lipstick. So this lipstick comes in 12 different colors. And the pigment is beautiful. It's really amazing. I like it. It is just so cute. It is so intense and full. So yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. So when applying this lipstick, the first coat is very smooth. And you think, okay, this is nice. But as soon as you put on the second layer, you feel a pulling sensation because it's overlapping the first layer, and that one is already getting dry and matte and powdery, so it doesn't go as smooth as the first layer, if you know what I mean. I have to say, because I did the first impression with the color 640, and this color really had that problem. But for this review, I bought two extra colors. This is the 241. This one is coral. If you put it on, it has a coral color. Believe it or not, but this one was worse than the first one. This one is really dry. So I thought, okay, there is a difference between those two. Is there a difference between those two and the third color that I bought? This is the color 480. It is a nice deep burgundy color, as you can see. But the weirdest part was that this one is creamy and stays creamy, even with the second layer. So I think it is color related, how creamy it is with applying the product. So this one was really creamy and it didn't have that weird feeling on my lip. So for the feeling of this product on your lip, it has to feel like they are moisturized all day because it is infused with hyaluronic acid, so it's nourished. But it doesn't feel like it. It really feels like a liquid lipstick. But then again, keep this in mind. It is just which color you choose or pick, because the first one that I showed you is it's drying. I can feel it pulling on my lip and it isn't that comfortable. The second color, the coral color, it didn't feel moistured at all, but this color is a whole lot better. This one is more creamy and I can feel the pulling. Yeah, the dryness on my lip is not as worse as the others. So I think that one is also color related of how nourishing it is. So that is something you have to figure out for yourself, which one works for you and which one doesn't. So for me, the favorite color on those three is the 480. The wearability of this color is very nice. So for the smell, the L'Oreal Color Riche Matte Lipstick has a very not overwhelming soft scent to it. Yeah, it's very soft, but when you applied it, then it's gone. So you won't be eating the fragrance in this product the whole day. So that's a plus for me, a big plus, because I don't like over-the-top scented products. But they say that it's intense volume lipstick, and I can't say that I think it's plumping or that. No, it's just my own lip. It is just my lip shape. It is not plumpier or anything. So okay, I couldn't find that part. So enough talking about this product. I think we hit all the points. Let's do the wear test and see what happens throughout the day. I tested it for 7.5 hours, so I think that's time enough to get a final conclusion. This is my first check-in with the color 480, and I never guessed or dreamed that I liked a color like this on myself. So I am very happy with the color. I'm wearing it from 1:30, so it's now 6:30, and that's 4 hours, and we can see what the wear is doing. So I drank from a straw, and you can see the imprint on my lip. You can see that the corners of the mouth are gone, completely gone. The inner circle of my lip became very light because of the things I ate, I drank. So I drank from a straw, I drank from a can, just for testing sake, straight out of the can, just to see what happened. And the lipstick was all over that can and on my straw, and yeah, that's a shame because they say it is transfer resistible. But I couldn't find the resistance of the transfer because let's do the test. You can see that it's quite a mouth because the inner piece is already gone for a big part. So you can imagine what it does when your lip is just freshly painted and you kiss somebody. My husband did the kiss proof with me, and his full lips were purple. So we can see that there's no bleeding. It's still on its place where I placed it. Only the corners of the mouth are gone. My lips are feeling a little bit dry. I am going to give it another 2.5, 3 hours of final wear, because they say it's a 16-hour wear lipstick, but I think we ain't coming near the 16 hours. So this is the second checkup. It is 9 o'clock in the evening, so I had a total of 7.5 hours wear test, and as you can see, it is totally destroyed. It is not there anymore. It's smudged out here. This is gone. So what we learned today is that we need to touch up. After 3 hours, you really need to touch up. After the first 3 hours, it was looking still okay. We could see a little bit of things, but now it is just a mess. And yeah, that's a shame because there is a 16-hour wear on this lipstick, and that's not the case. And yeah, I think that is really a pity, because you buy something and the claim is 16 hours, so you want it to be 16 hours. Just put it on and go. But sadly, this one isn't. So for the final verdict, there is one question. Would I use this L'Oréal Paris Color Riche Intense Volume lipstick personally? And I have to say most likely no, because of the way it feels on my lip. And they say it is transfer resistant, and it's not. So that it doesn't hold 16 hours is not a no-go for me. But I like transfer-proof lipsticks, and this is not one of them. So the feel and the not being transfer resistant is for me a no-go. I would use it, I think, with quick looks, that I don't have to wear it that long throughout the day. Then it's fine, but it's not a day-to-day lipstick for me. This was the full review about the L'Oréal Paris Color Riche Intense Volume Matte Lipstick. It is really mouthful, right? I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!